Hello everybody, today's video is regarding Vauxhall Insignia AC E98 ECU programming, bench programming, using Caspree. And this is on the, you can see the IDs, identification numbers, engine code, protocol, and it's on the 34% at the moment. As we are reading it through, this is how it is done. We are quantum tuning ECU remapping center located in Westerham, Kent. We are also specialized on diesel particulate filters, ECUs, Adblue, NOx, EGR, Ghost Immobiliser fitting systems, and RAC approved garage with a diagnostic center. Yeah, you can reach me on 07533636194 with your all of those problems. We are the masters. Satisfaction guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe to my channel for the further more videos. Thank you.